Root King, the root nutrient, a summary of how to use from farmers, from growers. Dilute Root King 1:30. Dipped cuttings inside the solution, then planted. 3 days later, do the foliar application. The ratio is 1:100. That's the first foliar application. Do the second foliar application of Root King another 3 days later. Then plants are all rooted. They all grow really strong and fast. And perhaps they're ready for transplanting to bigger pots. After they've been transplanting to bigger pots, we need to do more foliar applications. The interval in between each application is about 1 week, 7 days. About 4 to 6 foliar application, then the plants are ready to flowering. Then you don't have to spray Root King anymore. The results from the grower that can be early flowering about 5 to 10, sometimes 2 weeks than before. And the flower are bigger, stronger, also faster. So we can push the early season